How to open and edit PDFs in Mozilla Firefox. You can open and edit PDFs in Firefox using the built-in PDF viewer. However, the editing features are limited. You can add comments, highlights, and annotations, but you cannot change the text or layout of the document. To open a PDF in Firefox, click on the File menu and select Open File. Then, select the PDF file you want to open. To add comments, highlights, and annotations, click on the Tools menu or the pencil icon and select Annotate. Then, use the tools in the toolbar to add your comments. If you need to edit the text or layout of a PDF, you will need to use a third-party PDF editor. There are many different PDF editors available, both free and paid. Here are a few popular options: Adobe Acrobat Reader DC, Foxit Phantom PDF, Nitro Pro, PD Filament. I hope this helps.